Good morning there everyone, and welcome to Coulsdon South Railway Station. And kicking us off, we see the departure of 377-425, working the 1106 Southern service from London Victoria through to Reigate. Arriving next into the station is 700-154, working the 1009 Gavir Thameslink service from Horsham through to Peterborough. Passing fast through the station for Gavir Thameslink is 700-138, working 9 Romeo 11 from Bedford through to Three Bridges. Arriving next into the station is 377-412, working the 1019 North Southern service from Reigate through to London Victoria. Passing fast through the station for Gavir Thameslink is 700-122, working 9 Romeo 22 from Three Bridges through to Bedford. Departing next to the station is 700-151, working the 1025 Gavir Thameslink service from Peterborough through to Horsham. Next to arrive at the station is 700-104, working the 1039 Gavir Thameslink service from Horsham through to Peterborough. And going in the opposite direction for Southern is 377-439, working the 1037 Southern service from London Victoria through to Reigate. A little bit of rail tour action for you now with 67005 top and tailing 67024, working 1 Zulu 82 from London Victoria through to Staplehurst. Passing fast on his heels for Gavir Thameslink is 700 121, working 9 Romeo 13 from Bedford through to Three Bridges. Arriving next into the station be 377 425, working the 1049 Southern service from Reigate through to London Victoria. And right on his heels will be 700 132. Working 9 Romeo 24 for Gavir Thameslink from Three Bridges through to Bedford. Next to depart for the station is 700 107, working the 1055 Gavir Thameslink service from Peterborough through to Horsham. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 377 425, working the 1106 Gavir Thameslink service from London Victoria through to Reigate. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.